Guess what? KZ did something pretty unexpected. They launched this, the KZ PRX, which is one of the most affordable planar magnetic IEMs. I think there's one or two other IEMs with planar drivers in this price. The one I remember is from Kinera. I haven't tried that one. But yeah, this is the real deal. It sounds incredible. As you can see from this transparent casing, there's a gigantic driver in there. And yeah, that's a planar driver. It generally consumes more power than a dynamic driver, which means you'll have to crank the volume higher than usual. But man, it produces incredible sound in exchange of that power. This IEM produces some of the crispiest sounds I've ever heard in this price. I mean, that's one of the advantages of planar drivers, that they produce extremely accurate sound with very low distortions. They are a little more difficult to tune in general, but KZ has done a really good job with this one. The bass is tight, the mids are very well present, and the top end is excellent. The sharpness could sound sibilant to some ears, especially if you're sensitive to treble, but overall these are very well tuned. I'm happy with the sound. It sounds energetic but less sharp than some other KZ counterparts. It's still a somewhat U-shaped sound, so lots of energy, which is something many people enjoy, but there's a lot more detail in the top end section without needing additional drivers. Normally IEMs use some balanced armature drivers along with a dynamic driver to achieve that full range. This thing can pretty much do it on its own. And this design is pretty nice too, with those metallic grills and everything. Overall, at this price, I think this is a banger package. Now the cable is still old school KZ, which is not a good thing. I recently saw an IEM from them which had better cables. I thought they would be better from now on, but turns out nope. I guess IEMs under this price still have an older rough texture cable, which I don't really like. But hey, it doesn't hamper the performance of this, so at least that's good. Overall, it's one of the most unique sounding IEMs I've tried. If you like that sharpness in the upper mids, and still like a tight bass, pause, then you can get this. Compared to the likes of the KZ Caster, this has less saturation overall, but there is tons of detail and energy, so you're not missing out on anything. As much as I would like to use these myself, I think I should give this to you, so I'll list them for like 30 or 40% of their original price, as I do with most IEMs. You'll find the updated link in my description. I usually sell stuff that I really like, but since I have alternatives, I think some of you would appreciate it more than me. I also have the brand new Ear Acoustics STA-K. This thing's not even out in many stores. It's a dual driver IEM, pretty good. I don't think it deserves a separate video because it sounds similar to what I have, but this is a DSP version with a Type-C termination, so I'll list it for sale regardless. I think this makes more sense than just giving away stuff to random people who may not appreciate it. So yeah, just check out the link, see if you're interested, or if you want a new one, thankfully this KZ-PRX is not very expensive, so you can check that out as well. If you see something you like, drop me an email. Let's negotiate.